Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to enter exercise in Myfitnesspal. First of all guys, I want you to go ahead and open your phones or PC, and if you are on your phone, download Myfitnesspal and open it. If you are on PC, then open any kind of browsers and then open myfitnesspal.com. Right after that, create your account to start with me this tutorial. So I assume now that you have created your account, so this is the profile that must be opened for us. Now go ahead and click on this menu and go to exercise. Here you will find a lot of options, so click on add exercise and here search for anything, for example cardio. Let's see if there is any exercise. There is nothing, so let's check if there is something like, I don't know, search our exercise data by name, so source by name, and let's check if there is something like let's go first to exercises, to be honest, and then let's create an exercise. Yeah, that's how it works. So for example, let's create an exercise which is, for example, cardio and strength training. For example, cardio, this is the correct cardio. Wait, cardio, and here how long, for example, for 45 minutes. And here, for example, let's say that we burn 124 calories. So let's click on add, and here you go. That's how you can actually enter an exercise inside of your MyFitnessPal application. Of course, you can just go ahead and add another exercise, or just delete the exercise that you have added, or you can just go to quick tools to copy it from days, copy from yesterday, or copy to another date. So yeah guys, that was it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.